Welcome to this 10-bedroom farm for sale in Westford Bridge Private Nature Reserve, Knysna 6571, South Africa for R4,500,000. This 7-hectare property for sale is in a peaceful country setting on the sunny northern slope of the hills overlooking the Knysna River and Lagoon. The views from the house, garden, pool area or any of the 2 cottages are extraordinary. There are beautiful trees around the buildings, located at the bottom portion of the property and fynbos on the top part. Located between existing resort and hotel properties, there is potential to develop or improve the existing facilities. The main 5-bedroom house with delightful living areas and outside verandas can be utilized as one family home, or a separate 2-bedroom section with own living areas can be rented out. Another 3-bedroom cottage and a smaller 1-bedroom cottage provides monthly income. The river and lagoon offer boating and canoeing facilities. Situated about 10 minutes away from Knysna CBD or Belvedere, Brenton, Buffalo Bay and Renendel, this setting offers an ideal garden route lifestyle. Contact us today to arrange a viewing. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.